Automotive is flexible for anybody because it takes all sorts to make the program successful. The students can come to lab whenever they like. They can also do work before they come to lab on the LMS, the Learning Management System, which we use as Blackboard. So they can do all the reading, their quizzes, and some tests even before they come to apply the hands-on portion inside of the lab. We teach everything from the front bumper to the rear bumper. Some of the other courses that we teach are steering and suspension, brake service. We also do ASE review, as well as heating and air conditioning. Drivetrain service are just some of the courses that we teach here at BTC. Non-traditional students, the majority of our students in the program are males, but we do get females as well throughout the program, and they were successful in finishing the program as well as obtaining jobs in the program. We do anything that we can do, not just for females, but any diversity. We can get a student through and we will assist them. We'll bend over backwards for them. We want to see them successful, and we want BTC to be their #1 choice.